in Power BI desktop, there is one setting that I always change before importing any type of data. So the setting will be here. I'll go into file. Now, after going into file, I'll go into options and settings. And after going into options and settings, I'll go to options. Now, into these options, there will be multiple options that will be available for you. So there is one particular option for relationships that I'm going to turn off. So you will see that there is a current file options. Into this current file, there is one more option of data load. So into this data load, I will deselect the checkbox of auto detect new relationships after the data is loaded and then click on OK. The reason why I'm deselecting it is I do not want that when multiple tables are getting extracted from Excel into Power BI, at that time, relationships gets create automatically. So that is something which I don't prefer, because sometimes it could make it more complex for us to solve if that many relationships will be created. That there might be a confusion that could be created. So that's the reason I always prefer to turn the setting as off before importing any data. Then after doing that step, I'll simply import the data. So I will, if you can see, there is an option where you can import data from Excel. So I'll double click on this import data from Excel, and I already have one Excel sheet downloaded. So this is a superstore of US sheets. So this is a 2015 data. So this includes all the information about all the orders that all the US superstores had. So that is a part of one sheet. Another sheet includes all the returns, like whatever orders are returned, and a third one has the part of users. So which user belongs to which region. So basically, these three are the sheets that we have in this Excel workbooks. So we'll simply load the data. For transforming the data, I'm going to create more YouTube videos. So this needs a whole different video. So I'm going to simply load it. Now, after we are loading this, so all that three sheets that we are loading, it will be loaded as three different tables. Now, let us wait for it to get load. So it can depend upon the sheet size, and it can depend upon the number of rows the Excel sheet is having. So it can take from 10 seconds to even 1 minute if the data is very huge. So here our data is loaded successfully into the Power BI desktop, and it is ready to use for creating